they effectively play their role in society. We are resolved to ensure that the gender equity is achieved by making specific provisions for it in the proposed constitutional bill. The youth are equally catered for under BBI. Our youth have a host of issues that have prevented them from achieving their full potential. The issues have hampered the youth, and they are now faced with numerous problems that make their lives a bit of a misery. BBI seeks to give the youth a chance to get out of poverty by creating opportunities to make an income, to get financial support for their businesses, to ensure that they are paid promptly and they have greater participation in the tendering processes. Yes. Based on these issues and the fact that BBI stands for one nation, one country, we stand here today on behalf of the approximately 300 members of Parliament from both the National Assembly and the Senate to declare our total unwavering commitment to the BBI. We are ready to proceed popularizing the report across the country. We have a schedule of activities that would culminate in a referendum to bring very meaningful and very far-reaching amendments to the Constitution. Yes. We are requesting all leaders and citizens of Kenya to join together with us in this noble process of a new constitutional order for the benefits of all Kenyans. Not any one person is greater than Kenya. Yes. Kenya, the nation, is greater. Yes. BBI is the fulfillment of the words of the national anthem. Yes. Justice be our shield and defender. May we dwell in unity, peace, and liberty. Let it be found in our borders. BBI! BBI! Na Kenya moja. BBI! Asanteni sana.
Well done.
Well done.
Thank you. Done.
Thank you. Thank you, Tasha.
Okay. Done.
Thank you.
Yeah. Good.